Right now, there are parts of the universe that exist, and you'll never see them. Not because they are too far away, not because we don't have powerful enough telescopes, but because by the time their light reaches us, they will already be gone. Imagine something happening right now, a star exploding, a galaxy colliding, and no matter how long humanity survives, no matter how advanced we become, we will never know it happened. Not in a million years, not in a trillion, because the universe has already hidden it from us. Everything you've ever seen in space, every star in the night sky, every galaxy captured by telescopes, exists inside something called the observable universe. But here's the part most people don't realize. The observable universe is not the whole universe. It's just the part we're able to see. Think of it like standing in a dense fog. You can only see a certain distance in every direction. Beyond that, things still exist. You just can't see them. The universe works the same way, except instead of fog, the limit is time. The universe is about 13.8 billion years old, so you might expect we can see objects 13.8 billion light years away, but we can actually see much further than that. Over 46 billion years in every direction, which raises a question: how's that even possible? The answer is, space itself is expanding. Galaxies aren't just moving through space like planets orbiting a star. Instead, space itself is stretching, carrying galaxies along with it. A simple way to imagine this is to think of dots drawn on a balloon. As the balloon inflates, every dot moves away from every other dot. Not because the dots are moving on their own, but because the surface itself is expanding. That's what's happening in our universe, and here's where it gets strange. The farther away a galaxy is from us, the faster it appears to be moving away. At extreme distances, some galaxies are receding faster than the speed of light. That might sound impossible, but they're not actually breaking the laws of physics, because they're not moving through space faster than light. Space itself is expanding between us and them, and that difference changes everything. This expansion creates something like a boundary, a limit to what we can ever observe. It's called the cosmic horizon, and it works like this. Light from distant galaxies is constantly traveling towards us, but if those galaxies are far enough away, the space between us and them expands faster than the light can close that distance. So the light never arrives. Not eventually, not someday, never. Even if we waited forever, beyond this horizon, the universe doesn't suddenly stop. There's no wall, no edge. There are still galaxies out there, still stars, still planets, still events unfolding right now, but they are permanently cut off from us. And here's where things become even more unsettling. The expansion of the universe is speeding up, faster and faster over time, driven by something we still don't fully understand, what scientists call dark energy. Because of this acceleration, more and more galaxies are crossing the cosmic horizon every second. Right now, as you're watching this, entire galaxies are slipping out of view forever. Light that was on its way to us will never arrive. It's like watching the universe slowly erase itself, and in the far future, this effect becomes extreme. Imagine an observer billions of years from now living in our galaxy. When they look into the night sky, they won't see distant galaxies. They won't see the vast cosmic web. They may only see a handful of nearby stars. To them, the universe will look small, empty, almost static. They might never even realize that a much larger universe ever existed. Which means something incredible and unsettling. We exist at a very specific moment in cosmic history, a moment where the universe is still visible, where distant galaxies haven't all disappeared yet, where the evidence of the Big Bang is still written across the sky. We are living in a kind of cosmic window, a brief period where the universe can still be understood. But that window is closing, slowly and permanently. Most of reality is already beyond our reach, and more of it disappears every second. There are events happening right now that no human will ever observe, not because we failed to look, but because the universe made them unobservable. The universe isn't just vast, it's incomplete. What we see is only a fraction of what exists, a shrinking fraction, and beyond that invisible boundary is a universe we will never explore, never witness, never even confirm, not because it isn't there, but because we are simply too late, and the rest is already gone.